M-4. Up to third module, you can see that we did. I shared in my YouTube channel. It is there. You can refer that. Now it is the fourth module, continuation of third one. Third one we did algebraic expression. Express something in math expression. Now algebra we started. Variables, constant, combination of variables and constant. That is algebraic expression. Express something in math. That is algebra. Now, how can we identify equation and algebraic expression? Algebraic expression we cannot solve, but equation we can solve. That is why solution. Here I am going to, these are the topics. Equation in one variable, equation, linear equation. Equation in one variable, then linear equation, then solution of that, then fundamental four methods. How can we solve an equation? It is very important. You can find out all solution of life. Not only this math, life solution we can solve if you are following my method. What I am telling now, please listen here. Algebraic expression to equation. Now tell me what is the difference between algebraic expression and equation. Please note this one. Linear equation. That means linear equation in one variable, then solution of that, then four fundamental to solve an equation. Then also write this one. Now next page, please. What I am telling. 3x, 3 plus x is more than 3, or 5y. 5 into y, that means 5 times y. This is not an equation. This is not an equation. 7 or 17, then m plus 17. It is not an equation. We cannot solve it. What is the value of m plus 17? Now, so m plus 17 only. I told you algebra. S plus 2y plus 3s. That is, here 3 terms are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. This we can say polynomial. 3 terms, trinomial. These all are polynomial. Monomial is a polynomial. Binomial is a polynomial. Trinomial is a polynomial. Everything is a polynomial. But certain conditions, like class 9, you study that. The square of the, what I can say, the power of the variable must be a whole number. No square root of x. No rational number. Not what I can say, radicals. Now here, what I am talking about, algebra again, 3 terms are there. Now tell me, my children, another algebraic expression. For x, y, z. Here, how many terms are there? I wrote here algebraic expression. Yes, it is not an equation. Algebraic expression. Short form, 5 into x into y into z. That means here 1 term. This is 1 term. Monomial. This is 3 terms. 3 terms. Binomial, trinomial. Now tell me an example of a binomial. Okay, 10m. No, it is monomial. 10m plus n. It is a binomial. Listen here. What I told you about the monomial, binomial, trinomial, then quadrinomial, many things are there. What you can say? 1 term is monomial, 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial. This is monomial. A, B, C, D, X, Y. A, B, C, D, X divided by Z is a monomial. Yes, it is a monomial, sir. A into B into C into D into X divided by X. There are 2 operations there. Yes, I know multiplication and division is there. No, 1 term. Terms are separated by addition. In class 7, see that? Page number. Check the page number. Okay, fine. It is there. These are algebra. Terms are separated by addition. Listen here. Terms are separated by addition. Addition means plus or minus. I told you plus or minus addition. Very clearly your textbook is telling that, CBSE textbook. IGSE not telling like that. Terms are separated by addition. What about subtraction? Change the sign and addition. Add it, change the sign, and I told you. You can refer my YouTube channel. Module 2. Now I am in module 3. In module 4, we are in module 4. Listen here. Terms are separated by addition. You can write here in your working column or wherever you want. You can note that. Now that is why algebraic terms, very important terms in algebra terms. Look, ABC, monomial, one term. It is one term, that means monomial. ABC divided by D, one term only, monomial. Terms are separated by addition. All of you please write. Terms are separated by addition. Example, 1, 2, 3, Y, Z. Monomial one. Terms are separated by addition. Monomial one. Terms are separated by addition. What I told about the monomial. Monomial. Then binomial. It is not hard. Don't confuse monomial. First is monomial. Second is binomial. That means one term. Here two terms. One term, two terms, and trinomial. Three terms. That means 2x plus 3 minus z is a trinomial. One term, two term, three term. Terms are separated by addition. That means here three terms. Three terms. This we can say monomial. That means one term. One term is okay. One term. Here two terms. Binomial. Example. Many examples you can write this one. So listen here. Many examples you can write for this one. Example for this one. Example. Listen. Monomial. X, Y, Z is a monomial. Monomial X, Y, Z. Don't confuse. Or 7 lion. Monomial. Any confusion? Yes, morning I told you about the in third module. I told you about this one. Binomial. Okay, fine. 10 M minus 2D. 10 monkeys minus 2 donkeys. M for monkeys or mango. 2 for donkeys or dog or donuts. Doesn't matter. Now 10M minus 2D. Two terms. Or another one I can say here simply S plus Y. This is a monomial, no binomial. Two terms are. Now three terms. Okay, fine. Example I wrote here. Three terms. X, Y. Here one name is there. This is trinomial. Trinomial. Listen. A, B, C. It is not a trinomial. Monomial plus D plus 7 is a trinomial. 1, 2, 3 terms. That is why I told you terms are separated by addition. Underline that. Terms are separated by addition. Not by multiplication, not by division. Addition, the different family. Same family you can play. You can do what I noticed, it doesn't matter. But another family don't do, they will call the police. Or they will be very angry. Understand? Same class and different class like this one. Here, A, B, C is one term, D is another term, 7 is another term. 3 terms. Terms are separated by addition. Clear? That means monomial, trinomial, triangle, trinomial. Bisector, not by. Bisector, binomial. All of it tell monomial, binomial, trinomial. Now listen me, very important. These all are called monomial, binomial, trinomial. These all are called. Yes, algebraic expression, correct. Another term is polynomial. What is it? Polynomials. These all are called polynomials. Always confusion, I know. Poly means polygon, polygacy, like that, many things are many. But don't confuse in algebra. Monomial, one term. You know polygamy? More than one, I think so, more than one. Polygamy. Polygon, gun. What is that polygon? Very interesting. See, I will one more module is there. Polygon, not this gun. If you are talking about this gun, AK-44 like that. Good shoot. Like that. No, AK-47. AK-48 or AK-50 something gun. I think boys are interested to gun like that. Polygon, but here polynomial. This another one, polygon, that is here it is another chapter is there, another module is there, area, connected, quadrilateral, polygon, everything. I will come to that. What I am telling, I don't want this polygon. Listen. I am talking about polynomials. So understand. These all are polynomials. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, everything are called polynomials. Don't confuse. Trinomial is a polynomial. Binomial is a polynomial. Quadrinomial is a polynomial. 10 terms polynomial. These all are called. So what is polynomial? Special kinds of algebraic expression are called polynomial. In class 9 it is the special kinds of algebraic expression. Here only some are there. Suppose root of pi root of y, it is not a polynomial because pi half. So the power must be whole numbers. That's the definition. 9 class it is there. For 10 doesn't matter. What I am telling, these all are polynomials. Don't confuse. Monomial is not a polynomial. Some other, I know, some one more question it is there. They will confuse. Poly mean many. No. Don't confuse. Attach this one. Abdullah sir told polynomial is monomial, binomial, trinomial. All algebraic expression, only square root something, cube root something, not polynomial. For you understand that every algebraic expression is a polynomial, special kind of algebraic expression. Monomial is a polynomial, everything. Now, if you understood this one, please note, any doubt is that you can ask. Monomial, one term. Binomial with 2 terms. Trinomial with 3 terms. Quadrinomial with 4 terms. You know, trigonometry, triangles, quadrilateral 4. Double, binomial, bisecting. This mono single. Understand like that. There's a trick you have to connect with something in your mind. Are you following? Like that only you have to connect. In small class, I am now remembering. See, from Kerala, which is the longest river in the world. Long means in Malayalam, long. What the teacher told, and I didn't forget that in my life. No need of referring, no need of. Longest river, Nile, which is the widest, Vidi Buddha, Vidi, wide, Totoil Amazon, Amazon. Yes, you're laughing because you're from Kerala. You can understand, right? Okay. That is the trick. Whatever be that parannadi, ama, so. See, I didn't forget in my life. Like that equation also, certain things are there. 2 is equal to 8 by 4. 8 is equal to 4 into 2. Then 4 is equal to 8 by 2. Connection is there. No need of by heart. I will tell you that when you are coming. Changing the subject of the formula in class 9. That it is the class 8 also. That means, here this module I want to cover that because transposing and double transpose. So I think you understood polynomials. Okay, fine. Algebraic expression. All algebraic expressions are polynomial, but be careful, higher classes, special kinds of algebraic expression. I told you some example that you can see an example. First chapter in class 9 is, that is number system is polynomial is there. In polynomial, you can see this one. Second chapter, polynomial. Class 10 also, second chapter, polynomial. So study well, revise, remember, like that one. Okay, fine. Now I think I can proceed to the third page. Here, what I observe, here we can see, this is the page 3. Here, polynomial you understood. Now, I want to talk about very interesting thing, that is equation. Equations. All of you please begin equations. What is the difference? First thing, equation we can solve. You told me before, sir, you are talking about y minus 3. What is y minus 3? What is the answer of y minus 3? 3 is 3, we know. Minus is minus, I know. But what is y? I have to tell what is y. Then only algebra you can find out. Then only you will happy. Till now you are not happy, I know. Sir is telling algebraic expression, express something in maths, but sir, we are not happy. Because why? We don't know. We need the answer. Maths is like that. Whenever we are getting the answer, we are happy. So how? What to do? So here the answer you will not get. Till I am not telling. What is y? Suppose y is equal to 13. I got the answer. 13 minus 3, that is 10. Y is 10. 13 minus 10. 13 minus 3. 10. Now suppose 2x plus 7. What is the answer? Nobody knows. Sir, yes. Tell me what is x. Okay, fine. X is minus 3, suppose, minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 plus 7. 2 times 3, 6, minus 6 plus 7, that is 1 is the answer, 7 minus 6. You got the answer, but in algebra, you have to tell the value of the variable. Yes, what you want? Yes, you have. You see, Adnan is telling 5x. I have x only. Oh, good question. He's telling he has 5x. I have x. Can you tell me who is richer, who is stronger, who has more money? You cannot say. He's telling, sir, what is your x? Pen. Oh God. He has 5 pens. You know what is my x? What is my x? Can you tell you? No. I have 1 car. My x is car. See, x. But his 5, y or 5x, that is pen. My is car. So you know I am richer or stronger like that only. So you cannot say, I have 5x, you have 100x. Okay, fine, not bad. Okay, fine. That means that is the variable x or y. You have to tell what is your x, what is your y. That means variable I told you, that is very not constant, very. It depends upon the person and upon the condition, circumstance, like that. That is variable. It is very. All of you, please note that one thing you have to remember: variables. I told you simply in another module, variables. That means literal numbers A, B, C, D, S, Y, Z. Variables means it is correct, it is not wrong. More clearly, I can say the value of the variable depends upon the person, places, or surroundings. For me, my x, I told you car. For him, his x is pen. For her, her x is ice cream. Okay, not bad. Good, 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 good. Ice cream, chocolate, pizza. Oh, good. One day we cut the pizza here. Now we can. For fraction, we did that. Anyway, variables means it is very. I told you it is not a variable. This is a constant, my book. But what I can say, you are variable. You are moving. After this, your class, another class will be there. Half an hour only our class. Anyway, so variables. Underline that variables and constant. Combination of constant and variable. What I told you here, algebraic expression. Suppose minus 10 x plus 5 y. What is the value? Sir, what is x is equal to? S is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to what I can say 1 by 5. Please find out the value fast. It is a algebraic expression in two variables. Two variables. Your algebra, this one, two variables, many variables. What answer you got? Minus 10 into minus 1. Put bracket, minus everything, because minus is dangerous, I told you. 5 into 1 by 5. Okay, good. MashaAllah, great. Here, we can cut this one. Listen here. 5, 5, we can cut. So, what is the answer? Minus 10 into minus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, that is 11 is the answer. You are getting 11 the answer. Am I right or not? Yes, we got the answer. We have to tell the value of x and y because two variables are there. Everything we can do. Whatever this, suppose 100 m minus 98 m. So what is the answer? Immediately you can do 100 minus 98. Sir, that is 2 monkeys. 100 monkeys. They are not monkeys. I am the big monkey. Okay. 100 monkeys. How many monkeys? Okay, 60 monkeys. More monkeys. Sorry. The watching. Mangoes. 100 monkeys. And 80 monkeys. 98 monkeys went outside to drink water or to play something like that. So how many monkeys are there? 2 monkeys. Suppose m is equal to what I can say minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So how much? What is the answer? 1 by 4. 2 monkeys minus 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by, not minus, monkeys will not be minus. 2 into 1 by 4. That means you can cut this one. This is half only. Wonderful. Half mangoes. Monkeys we cannot make half. 2 into 1 by 4. That means half. Correct? You know that? So this is simple maths only. This is algebraic expression. What I am telling, you have to give the value of the variable, then you can get the answer. Are you happy now? Okay, fine, you got the answer. No, but now you come to the